Welcome to this tutorial on how to build a Razor web app for barcode generation. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to build a complete barcode generator web application using ASP.NET, Core, Razor Pages, and IronBarcode. This application will allow users to generate customizable barcodes with different types, colors, and dimensions. So let's jump on it. All right, so first let me show you the NuGet package manager. As you can see, I've already installed the IronBarcode package. This package provides comprehensive barcode generation capabilities, supporting multiple formats and customization options for our web application. Now let's look at the index.cs HTML file where we built our user interface. I'll skip the styling and script section and focus more on the core markup. We have a form with several input fields. The first is data for barcode, which accepts the text or URL, which will be encoded into the barcode. Next is type of barcode, which uses a data list to provide a searchable dropdown of all available barcode formats. We also have max width and max height fields that allow users to customize the barcode dimensions in pixels. The color for barcode field offers another searchable data list with numerous color options. And finally, there's a generate barcode button that submits the form. So let's move to the index.cs HTML.cs file and examine the onPost upload method. And this is the method that handles the barcode generation logic. First, we set a default encoding to Aztec. Then we attempt to parse the barcode type string parameter into our barcode types enum using try-parse. If parsing succeeds, we call the getBarcodeEncoding helper method to convert the enum value into IronBarcode's barcode writer encoding. If parsing fails, we return a JSON error response. Next, we create the barcode using barcode-writer.createBarcode, passing in the text and encoding. We then handle color customization by parsing the barcode color string into our barcode colors enum, converting it to a color object using the enum to color helper method, and then applying it to the barcode using change barcode color. If both max width and max height values are provided, we resize the barcode using the resize2 method with these dimensions. Finally, we create a barcode folder in the www root, generate a unique file name with a timestamp, and then save the barcode as a PNG image using save as image, and then return a JSON response containing the success status, the message, and image path for the front end to display. So now let's look at the helper methods and enums. The enum to color method uses a switch expression to map our barcode colors enum values to IronBarcode's color object. This enum contains 140 color options from Alice blue to yellow green, giving users extensive color customization. The getBarcodeEncoding method converts our barcode types enum into IronBarcode's barcode writer encoding. The barcode types enum includes 15 popular formats like Aztec, Code 128, QR code, PDF 417, and various EAN and UPC formats. So let's run the application and see it in action. All right, so the browser opens showing our barcode generator interface with the IronBarcode logo at the top. I'll fill in the form with some test data. So for data for barcode, I'll enter IronBarcode test mode. And for type of barcode, I'll select code 128. And I'll set max width and max height to 300 pixels. And for color for barcode, I'll choose dark green. Now I'll click the Generate Barcode button. And the form submits via AJAX. And you can see the generated barcode appears on the right side of the screen. It's code 128 barcode in a dark green color with our specified dimensions. Below the barcode, there's a success message showing the generated file name. Users can enter a custom file name and click the download button to save the barcode to their system. All right, and that's it. You now have a fully functional barcode generator web application with extensive customization options. Users can generate barcodes in multiple formats, customize colors and dimensions, and download them instantly. This application can be easily extended with additional features like batch generation or API integration. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronBarcode, please sign up for a trial on the site continue to download, install the package, and experience the software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Try it out for yourself.